Auzu billahi minesh-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 6th from Government Girls Upper Primary School, BATAGUND Zone Mawar, today on dated 5th of October 2020, the day Monday. Our topic and subject of math is exercise number 8.2. Dear guys, yesterday we solved question number first from this exercise 8.2. Now today we are going to solve question number 2 and 3. There are questions 2 and 3 that we are going to solve today. Question number 2 states that write the numbers given in the following place value table in decimal form. Here it is our place value chart. There are different numbers A, B, C, D and E. 5 numbers are here written in this place value chart. We have to write them in the decimal form. Here it is question number 2. The place value chart showing hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, hundredths and thousandths. Dear guys, you know that the decimal stays here. The number next to the left of this decimal is ones, then left tens, then towards more left it is hundreds, but the numbers towards the right of this decimal, these are tenths, hundredths and thousandths. This is how we can make a place value chart. That is the ones, tens, hundreds going towards left, thousandths, etc. And the tenths, hundredths and thousandths, these are right going towards the right side. Here it is thousandths, not it is thousandths, and so on towards the right side of this decimal. That means when we are representing these numbers in the decimal form, we have to put decimal here. The digit just right of this decimal will be tenths, and then hundredths, and then thousandths, and the digit just to the left of this decimal will be ones, then tens, and then hundredths. When we write this part here, it is part A. There are 5 parts, but I have shown here only 2 parts. Rest of 3 you can solve yourself. Then part A is here, it is 100 is 0, that means in this digit there is no 100. 10 is 0, that means there is no 10s also. 1 is 3, there are 3 ones. Tenths are 2, hundredths are 5, and thousandths are 0 again. When we write this number in the decimal form, here it is 0, 0 and 0 hundredths, 0 tens, 3 ones, point 2 tenths, 5 hundredths and 0 thousandths. But dear guys, you must know that if the zeros on the left side are in such a way that there is no digit to the left of these zeros, there are only zeros on the left side, and there is no any other digit on this left side of the zeros, then the zeros are not indicated. We can write this number simply as 3.250. Then these zeros are not shown. The zeros on the left side are not shown unless there is any more digit on the left of the zero, like in this. Here we have this 0, but on the left side of the 0, here it is 1. So this 0 is indicated because it is having one more digit on its left side. But if there are zeros on the left side and having no digit towards their left, then these zeros are not indicated. This number is simply written as 3.250 here. Now in this second part B, 100 is 1, tens is 0, having no tens, ones are 2, there are 2 ones, tenths are 6, hundredths are 3, and thousandths are 0. That means there is no thousandths. When this is written in the decimal form, it is written as, this is 102, 102 written as 102. But when we go towards the tenths and hundredths, etc. Then there comes first decimal. It's put here as point. Then these are written 6 tenths, 3 hundredths, and 0 tenths. These are written as 630. 630. That means it is 102.630. 102.630. Dear guys, now there are three more parts here. Parts C, D, and E. That is 030025. Having no hundreds, no 3 tens, no ones, no tenths, 2 hundredths, 5 thousandths. You have to write also it in decimal form. That means this 0 is having no digit on its left, so you can write it as 3 tens and 0 ones. They are 30.025. Try these yourself. You can, if any problem, you can contact me. Now there is question number 3. The question number 3 is, write the following decimals in the place value chart. Here are some decimals given. You have to write them in this place value chart. This is, you have to draw here a place value chart like this: hundredths, hundredths, tens, ones, tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. This is our place value chart. Then we have to write these numbers in this place value chart. In the part A, we are here. It is point comes between this ones and tenths. That means towards the left of this 0, it is towards the left of this point, it is 0. It comes ones, but it is 0 ones. We start from here, from ones. We have 0 ones, then its point, then 2 tenths and 9 hundredths. 2 tenths and 9 hundredths. In the part B, this is point. We have to stay here, then go towards the left. It is 2 ones. It will be written as 2 ones, and towards the right of this 0 and 8. That is 0 tenths and 8 is hundredths. So you can write these, try them yourself to complete this chart there. I hope you can complete it. If any problem, contact me on my number. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.